Jai Srimanarayana. Fifth sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Asastra vihitam ghoram tapyante ye tapo janaha दम्भाहङ्कार संयुक्ताः कामराग बलान्विताः ॐ Do not manufacture any activity which is not ordained by our scriptures and name it as a puja, meditation and yajna. Do never do that. As an essence of the entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall do, never manufacture any activity which is not ordained by our scriptures and name it as a puja, yajna or meditation. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमुपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण, चतुर्मुखब्रह्म, सरस्वतीदेवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. ॐ हरये नमः. श्रीमद्भागवतमु दशमस्कन्धमु 10th स्कन्धं 337th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, all the girls from Vrajam, they are listening to Sri Krishna Paramatma's flute and they are all getting into trance and they are all each other talking about Krishna Paramatma's beauty, his flute like this. Oh my dear Gopikas, look at Krishna and Balarama, how handsome they are all looking. And they are wearing such a beautiful garments. They decorated themselves with peacock feathers, flowers, and they are glowing in the center of all those Gopalas. Range yadha natavarau kvacha gayamanau. They are glowing just like beautiful Natasarvabhaumas on the stage. Oh my dear Gopikas, ayam kusalam sma venuhu damodara adhara sudhamapi Gopikanam bhunkte svayam. Look at Krishna Bhagavan's flute. What kind of tapasya that flute might have done in its previous life. Now, flute, he has born in that the dynasty of wood, and that wood became this beautiful flute, and now Krishnuni kimmo visudharasambugunuchun chodhyambugamroyuchun. Now that flute has reached Krishna Paramatma's beautiful divine lips, and enjoying Krishna Paramatma's the nectar which is coming out from the lips of Krishna Paramatma. In fact, we are supposed to be enjoying that Adharamrutam, the nectar of Krishna Paramatma's lips, but without leaving anything for us, entire Adharamrutam now that flute is enjoying. What such a great fortune, good deed, merit that flute might have done. Oh my dear friends, how blessed that flute is. And now look at Krishna Paramatma's divine feet. How beautiful, how handsome, how delicate that Krishna's divine feet is looking. That feet is a treasure of the entire beautiness. Now such divine feet of Krishna Paramatma touching this Vrindavana Bhumi, the earth in Vrindavanam. Vrindavanam Sakhi Bhuvo Vitanoti Kirtim Devaki Sutapadambuja Labdha Lakshmi. And because this Vrindavana earth, the Bhumi, is getting the touch of Krishna Paramatma's divine feet, this Vrindavanam also is very much blessed, and this Vrindavanam making the entire Bhumi glow. Govinda Venum Anumatta Mayura Nrutyam. Krishna Paramatma's flute is heard. Venuganam is heard by all the peacocks, and they are also getting into trance and dancing in that divine trance. Like that, all the Gopikas, each other talking about Krishna Paramatma's divine glow. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 17th chapter 5th shloka. అశాస్త్రవిహితం ఘోరం తప్యంతే ఏ తపో జనాః దంభాహంకార సంయుక్తాః కామరాగబలాన్వితాః. అశాస్త్రవిహితం ఘోరం తప్యంతే ఏ తపో జనాః దంభాహంకార సంయుక్తాః కామరాగబలాన్వితాః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.